Welcome back to Autocar Review. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class has arrived, and once again, Mercedes has raised the bar for what a luxury sedan can be. With every generation, the S-Class redefines refinement, sophistication, and cutting-edge technology, but in 2026, Mercedes hasn't just updated a flagship, they've reimagined what it means to be at the pinnacle of luxury automotive engineering. If you thought the previous S-Class was a marvel, the 2026 model will make you rethink what's possible in a luxury sedan. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2026 S-Class might seem like a subtle evolution of its predecessor, but look closer and you'll notice that every detail has been carefully sculpted to enhance elegance, performance, and aerodynamic efficiency. The front fascia features a redesigned grille with vertical chrome slats, framed by adaptive digital light headlamps that not only illuminate the road but also project symbols and alerts directly onto the pavement for enhanced safety. These lights can recognize pedestrians and road signs, adjusting their pattern accordingly to reduce glare for oncoming traffic. It's not just a lighting system, it's a smart assistant guiding you through the night. The side profile has been streamlined, with flush door handles, minimal creasing, and a refined shoulder line that flows seamlessly to the rear. The rear lights now feature a new 3D design, almost jewel-like in appearance, and the rear bumper is integrated more naturally into the car's curvaceous silhouette. The car sits on newly designed 20 or 21-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim, and the drag coefficient has been further optimized for a near-silent ride at high speeds. Step inside, and you're not just entering a luxury car, you're stepping into a sanctuary of comfort and technological brilliance. The cabin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and innovation. The centerpiece is the latest generation MBUX hyperscreen, now wider, brighter, and more responsive. The massive OLED display stretches across the dashboard and blends seamlessly with the new ambient lighting system, which can now sync with the music you're playing or the mood you've selected. The screen isn't just for show, it controls everything from climate to seat massaging, and voice control is smarter than ever, understanding natural speech better than before. Speaking of seats, Mercedes has truly gone all out. The 2026 S features the next generation of energizing comfort seats, which offer up to 10 massage programs, including hot stone functions. The rear seats are equally luxurious, with executive lounge options that allow full recline, complete with footrests, heated door panels, and even neck warmers. Rear passengers get their own screens, ambient controls, and can even command the sunroof and audio from the back. Every surface is finished in either hand-stitched leather, natural wood trim, or aluminum detailing, depending on your customization. Mercedes offers a palette of new interior colors, including a serene crystal white and deep ocean blue combination that brings a yacht-like ambience. The Burmeister 4D surround sound system, with speakers even embedded in the seats, delivers audio that you can feel as much as hear. Under the hood, the 2026 S-Class continues its legacy of power and efficiency. The base S504 MATIC comes equipped with a turbocharged inline-6 engine producing around 435 horsepower, assisted by a 48-volt mild hybrid system that ensures smooth acceleration and better fuel economy. For those who want more, the S580 offers a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 pumping out a solid 510 horsepower, also enhanced by hybrid assistance for a seamless performance. But perhaps the biggest news is the arrival of the S580e plug-in hybrid. This variant combines the inline-6 engine with a more powerful electric motor and a larger battery pack that offers over 60 miles of electric-only range. With the increasing push toward electrification, this model is a brilliant step forward, offering quiet electric commutes and powerful performance when you need it. Charging is quick, and Mercedes even includes a suite of smart charging options that optimize battery usage based on your driving habits. All S-Class models are equipped with the latest generation of 4 MATIC all-wheel drive and a reworked 9-speed automatic transmission that shifts with near-invisible smoothness. The adaptive air suspension has been further improved, offering a ride that's both cushy and responsive. The optional e-active body control system scans the road ahead in real time, preparing the suspension for any bumps or potholes, making it feel like the car is literally gliding over the pavement. But luxury and power are only part of the equation. Safety and driver assistance are where the 2026 S-Class really flexes its muscles. It features Mercedes' most advanced suite of semi-autonomous driving technologies to date. The new Drive Pilot system, where legal allows hands-free driving on certain highways, the car can change lanes, slow down for curves, and even bring itself to a stop if needed. The upgraded sensors and cameras now provide 360-degree awareness, and there's a special attention detection system that can recognize when the driver is distracted or drowsy, even using facial recognition to check alertness levels. New features include expanded active steering assist, which now works in tighter curves, intersection assist to avoid cross-traffic accidents, and emergency lane departure correction in the unfortunate event of a crash. The car's pre-safe system now includes side impact airbags in the rear and new kinetic energy absorbers in the seat frame. And let's not forget personalization. The 2026 S-Class can remember up to 7 user profiles, adjusting everything from seat position to climate preferences and favorite radio stations. You can even link your smartphone to access remote parking, lock or unlock the car, or precondition the cabinol from the Mercedes-Me app. The digital key function now works via ultra-wideband, meaning you can unlock and start the car with your phone in your pocket. For those who prioritize rear seat luxury, the long wheelbase version offers unparalleled comfort, with extra legroom, dedicated climate zones, and even optional folding tables. It's no surprise that the S-Class is the go-to choice for CEOs, heads of state, and VIPs around the world. Environmental sustainability is also at the heart of the 2026 model. Mercedes has committed to using more sustainable materials throughout the vehicle. The leather is tanned using vegetable-based processes. The carpets are made from recycled fishing nets, and many trim pieces now use responsibly sourced wood or alternative materials. Even the factory in Sindelfingen, where the S-Class is built, that operates on carbon-neutral principles. Driving the 2026 S-Class is an experience that's difficult to put into words. It doesn't just transport you, it cocoons you. Whether you're behind the wheel or being chauffeured, the S-Class isolates you from the chaos of the outside world while offering a suite of digital and physical luxuries that elevate every journey. The cabin is whisper quiet, the power delivery is instant, and the steering is light but precise. Whether cruising down the highway or navigating tight city streets, the S-Class maintains an effortless grace that few vehicles can match. Pricing starts at around $115,000 for the S500, but depending on your options and trim level, the top-tier models can easily surpass $150,000. Of course, that's a premium, but for what you're getting, the pinnacle of engineering, technology, luxury, and presence, it's arguably one of the best investments in comfort and prestige that you can make in 2026. There's no denying that the automotive world is rapidly changing, with electric vehicles becoming more mainstream and digital technology permeating every corner of our cars. It's easy to lose sight of tradition. But the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class proves that you don't have to compromise. It blends the best of traditional craftsmanship with tomorrow's innovations. It doesn't shout for attention, it commands it. It doesn't need to prove itself, it simply is. Whether you're a longtime fan of the brand or someone considering entering the ultra-luxury space, the 2026 S-Class is more than just a car. It's a benchmark, a statement, and a vision of where luxury transportation is headed. And from where we're sitting, that future looks incredibly bright. Thanks for watching Autocar Review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more luxury car reviews, and comment below with your thoughts. Would you pick this over a BMW 7 Series or Audi A8? We'd love to hear your take. Until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep chasing the finest machines on the planet.